Are you tired of scrolling through a messy server list? Learn how to organize your Discord servers into neat, color-coded folders in under 2 minutes. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create folders, name them, and customize colors. Let's dive in. First, open up Discord on your computer. Now, click and hold a server icon on the left sidebar. Then, drag it directly on top of another server icon. Release the mouse button when you see a circle or box form around them to create a new folder. To add more servers, just drag and drop any other server icon into that existing folder. Click the folder icon to expand it and see the grouped servers inside. Right-click on the folder icon to open a menu. Then select Folder Settings from that menu. Type a new name for your folder. Pick a custom color for your group if you'd like. Once you're done, click on Done to save your changes. Finally, click the folder icon again to collapse it and hide the grouped servers inside. And that's it. You've organized your servers into groups. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.